employers should give their staff at least a 4-week holiday a year so that they can do their job better. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
The proposition that employers should enforce a minimum of 4 weeks of annual leave upon their staff, with the intention of enhancing work performance, presents a compelling yet complex argument. While the benefits of adequate rest and rejuvenation cannot be disregarded, a nuanced approach considering potential drawbacks is crucial. On the one hand, a strong argument exists for extended vacation time. Studies have shown that adequate breaks lead to improved employee well-being, reduced stress, and increased creativity and productivity. A refreshed and motivated workforce demonstrably performs better, leading to higher quality work and potentially even greater innovation. Additionally, offering longer vacations can boost employee morale and loyalty, fostering a positive work environment and reducing turnover, which can be costly for companies. However, mandating a minimum 4-week vacation period introduces potential drawbacks. Firstly, it imposes a one-size-fits-all approach that may not suit individual needs. Some employees may prefer shorter, more frequent breaks throughout the year, while others might desire to save their vacation days for longer trips less frequently. Secondly, implementing such a policy across various industries and company sizes can be challenging. Smaller companies, particularly those with tight budgets and lean staffing, might struggle to manage workload coverage during extended employee absences. This could place undue pressure on remaining employees and potentially compromise overall productivity. Finding a middle ground is crucial. Instead of a rigid mandate, offering a minimum vacation allowance with the flexibility to accrue additional days based on factors like performance or seniority could be a more adaptable approach. Additionally, promoting a culture of responsible vacation planning through clear communication and encouraging employees to stagger their leave periods can help alleviate workload concerns. In conclusion, while the benefits of extended vacations for employee well-being and performance are undeniable, a one-size-fits-all mandate of 4 weeks might not be the most effective solution. By adopting a flexible and adaptable approach that considers individual needs and operational realities, employers can create a system that fosters a healthy work-life balance and empowers employees to utilize their vacation time effectively, ultimately leading to a more productive and engaged workforce. The proposition that employers should enforce a minimum of 4 weeks of annual leave upon their staff, with the intention of enhancing work performance, presents a compelling yet complex argument. While the benefits of adequate rest and rejuvenation cannot be disregarded, a nuanced approach considering potential drawbacks is crucial. On the one hand, a well-rested and recharged workforce demonstrably yields several advantages. Ample time away from work allows individuals to address personal commitments, engage in leisure activities, and prioritize their well-being. This translates to a demonstrably positive impact on their physical and mental health, leading to improved focus, reduced stress, and ultimately increased productivity upon return. Studies have shown a direct correlation between employee well-being and performance, highlighting the positive influence of vacation. Furthermore, generous leave policies can foster loyalty and a sense of appreciation within the workforce. Feeling valued and recognized for their contributions motivates employees and encourages a commitment to the organization's success. This enhanced sense of loyalty can manifest in reduced absenteeism and a stronger work ethic, contributing to a positive work environment. However, mandating a specific length of leave can also present certain challenges. Firstly, imposing a uniform policy fails to acknowledge the diverse needs and preferences within a workforce. Individuals may have varying vacation desires, with some potentially finding 4 weeks excessive and disruptive to their work rhythms. Additionally, enforcing a minimum leave period can pose logistical difficulties for certain industries, particularly those with high seasonality or constant operational needs. Staffing shortages during peak periods can occur, potentially placing additional burden on remaining employees and jeopardizing overall productivity. Ultimately, a nuanced approach that recognizes the multifaceted nature of this issue is essential. While the potential benefits of extended leave for employee well-being and performance are undeniable, acknowledging potential logistical and individual preferences is crucial. Striking a balance by offering flexibility in vacation planning, combined with a strong company culture that prioritizes employee well-being, may be a more effective and sustainable strategy in facilitating optimal employee performance. In conclusion, while the proposition carries merit and acknowledging the benefits of adequate leave for employee well-being is crucial, a one-size-fits-all mandate may not be the answer. A balanced approach that recognizes both the benefits and potential drawbacks, coupled with a company culture that prioritizes employee well-being, offers a more effective and sustainable solution for maximizing employee performance.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.